Here in this lecture, we'll know about some sorts of security and protections in Excel. Sometimes we create some data or some results or some numbers that needs to be controlled access so that nobody can change your data. So here in Excel, like almost every worksheet is sort of locked. So first of all, you have to select the worksheet and then click right and then go format cells. So here you uncheck this locked option, then click OK. So this worksheet is unlocked. So here suppose I want this column to be locked, and these people or subordinates will not be able to change the figures from this column. So here I've selected this one and I'm clicking on format cells. So after that, in the protection, we'll go to the protection and we'll click on the locked option. After clicking the lock, we'll click OK. Then people will not be able to change the figures here in this column. So by this way, you can lock any cell, any column or any rows by selecting that specific row, column or cell and then right click format cells and then lock, the way I have shown. In the next lecture, we will show how to protect your worksheet.